Alright, I got the Ruger BX trigger installed in my new 1022, the one with the walnut stock right there. I'm just going to do a quick comparison. Now, this is the Ruger that I got in 1996. It has the bull barrel. Whoop. You can see it's got the heavy bull barrel. And I would probably, in competition, beat just about anything within up to about 50 yards. This thing is so accurate. So anyway, this is the Ruger I got a lot of years ago, and a friend of mine at the gun store installed some parts, some Volquartsen parts in there. And I'm going to show the trigger pull that I've been using for years and years. I'm going to be using these little 22 dummy rounds. I'm just going to do one trigger pull. Safety off, safety on, safety off. So let's do a trigger pull on this Ruger that I've had for a lot of years. This thing is set. Okay, this thing is 3 pounds, 1.3 ounces, which is really good. I've been satisfied with this rifle for a lot of years. And I think, I'm not sure exactly how many parts he put in, but I know he put a hammer, a sear, this mag release, and the trigger, basically just about everything. Oh, and the extended bolt handle. Everything else is pretty much stock. So let's take a look at the other one. Now this one, I put in the Ruger BX trigger a couple of days ago, and I'm still going to be using the blue dummy rounds. And on this one, I put the BX trigger, the extended bolt handle. I also replaced the sights today with these True Glow. I think they're True Glow or something. Let's see. Oh, they're the high vis sight system. Now the back sight came out real easy. But the front sight, I had some trouble, so what I did was I took my little Dremel and I cut this thing in half. Not quite in half, but I cut a big groove in it, and it came out real fast once I cut that groove in the front sight. So I got the high vis sights installed. And let's do the trigger pull on this one. This is the Ruger BX. Alright, safety's on, safety off. Now the original 1022 is 3.1. Now this new BX trigger is supposed to be pretty good. When I first got it, it was about 6.5 pounds for this thing, which is horrible. So now I got it to 4.3, which is about 2 pounds less. I'll try one more. Okay, so that was right at 4 pounds. So it looks like I lost 2 pounds of trigger pull on this. I'm pretty happy with it. I'd like to see it down a little bit more, but for a BX trigger, it's a drop-in, about a $65 trigger. I'm pretty happy with it. And it's a USA product. Definitely deserving a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.